Okay, it's your Wednesday update. It's around 4 o'clock on the 11th, and we had two different lines develop. Some heavy downpours with some thunder and lightning involved this afternoon that sweep through with some heavy downpours, and now we kind of have a secondary line back here that's working its way across the state. And this is basically so far I've been seeing heavy downpours. Last night down here we had some thunderstorms. Nothing big ones, but heavy downpours with some lightning involved. And then as we move this thing forward, you'll see this line right here, right through, it's just to the east of Scranton, down this way. And again, this is a little bit in the future in the next hour. This one's off the coast. There's Atlantic City here to New York. There's the changeover back here. We move this ahead, and you can see this is gone, and then this is kind of losing its punch as it moves to the east, but there's still a downpour line right in here. So you need to be aware that there could be some heavy downpours. The ground's pretty wet, um, and I'm sure there's going to be some creeks and stuff that get very high, so keep an eye out for those. Now this is a simulated radar for about 8 o'clock this evening. You can see it's changed over in the starting to change over in the high elevations in northeastern PA. It's changed to snow from Harrisburg to Williamsport up into Elmira area. It's still raining pretty heavy in Jersey. I don't know if they'll see any drones tonight out there. It'll be a little cloudy for that and raining. As you can see, we move this to around 10 o'clock. It's letting up, but there's a little bit of snow that happens down here by Lancaster and then even North Jersey here. But the real story of this is going to be is after this sweeps through, and this is around midnight, we have to be, cognizant of the fact that temperatures are going to be dropping quickly. So you got wet roads anywhere across the state. They're going to freeze, and that's midnight temperatures. And as you can see, as we get towards 4 a.m., it's in the 20s, low 20s out here. It's below freezing all the way down into Jersey. So anything that's wet's going to freeze. So driving could be hazardous in areas where the road has water or it's drained. Since it was a heavy rain, it'd be flowing across the road. So you could get um, from out of this, you can get some very slick roads. I would say tonight, be careful driving around. This is your snow, as you can see, not much as it comes through down here. This is basically higher elevation snow with this thing. And as you can see, if you look out to the west, you'll see that there's some snow squalls, especially by Erie here, that can dump a foot or more of snow, especially up here in western New York. They can really get slammed again out there. Just to give you a heads up, next week, as we get towards the end of next week, the 19th, 20th, in that range, we have a snow situation. It cuts across the state, and when it does, it's not a big storm at this point in time, but it does put some snow down. This is during the day, and it's also going to usher in some colder air. This is Thursday evening, and you can see the coastal areas have gotten rain, but it's snowed to more to the west. And northern New Jersey gets a little bit out of this. I'm not going to get into the amounts of snow yet, and I still think there's a definite possibility for a lot of people around Christmas time to have some snow on the ground and all. I will update that. Maybe it won't be tomorrow. I have a lot of work. Probably on Friday I'll update it. All right. Just be careful of that rain out there, those downpours, and tonight's ice situation as it comes through. It's going to make it very slick in a lot of places.